What?
I don't like it. I don't like it, man. Don't do that.
You don't like it?
No, that's disrespect.
What?
Who are you?
I was just doing like this.
Oh, you scared the shit out of me, bro.
You like it?
Not really.
Oh.
You scared the fuck out of me, dog.
You like it?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
What? You like it? You like that? Bro, you get on that shit. What?
I don't know you, dog.
Huh?
I don't know you.
I was just doing like this.
Oh, man, don't do that.
Why?
Because I don't know you, bro.
What?
What's up?
I'm just doing like this.
Not cool, man.
You like it?
No.
Why?
What's up with that, man?
Huh?
What's going on with you? What's up?
You like it?
No, I don't like it. I don't like it, man. Don't do that.
You don't like it?
No, that's disrespectful.
How?
I'm old enough to be your daddy. Don't disrespect me like that.
I'm not.
Yeah.
I'm just doing like this.
Yeah. Do that to somebody else. Yeah. Don't play with me like that. I got kids older than you.
I'm just playing.
Yeah. I got kids older than you.
Huh?
Do I fucking know you?
You like it?
No, do I fucking know you?
Why you so calm? Just calm down.
Huh?
I'm just saying later.
Back up, bro. Do I fucking know you?
Huh?
Do I know you?
I don't know what's wrong with this dude. What's wrong? What's wrong?
bothering this
You
guy?
know him, man?
I don't know this dude. What you bothering him for? Hey, man, chill out.
Bro, who is you?
Bro, chill out. Bro. Chill out, bro.
Who is you?
I don't even know.
What's wrong? You like it?
Go ahead, walk away, bro. Go, bro. Walk away.
Okay, bye.